Oh no, did I run out? Okay, so I ran out. That's good. Alright, so we got a crawl space today. Look at this mess. Ignore the poop. But yes, it's a big one. She says she hasn't been down there in a long time. It's like she doesn't even change her filter. So it's just a maintenance call. Oh buddy. It's already there's big spiders everywhere. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Alright, so after about 5 minutes of trying to figure out how to keep this up, I got it up. The bad thing is all them spiders. And those were a lot of spiders. And I don't have no spider spray, but I got some wasp spray. Some stringless hornet spray. Now I don't know if this is gonna work. But I know it's gonna stun them, so it's just hope. Oh buddy. Like look at these. Crazy. Let's see how much I spray. Okay. I don't know what that does, but spray everything around here. I'll spray it. Oh no, did I run out? Okay, so I ran out. That's good. She said, like I said, she said she never been in here in a long time. Look at the door. The door doesn't even move back. So that's the problem. Spider right there crawling. There we go. I can't open the door because the thing's not on. Oh great. Oh great. Alright, so I finally got the door open. Thankfully she had like a broom laying around. So I'm gonna just use this as kind of like a spider web knocker. The system's in the middle, so it shouldn't take me that much. I mean, like I said, you got these big spiders and stuff. I saw like 5 of them on the side. Knock these webs out the way at least. And it's the system right there, so that's all I really have to get to. Keep knocking down. Oh buddy. It's probably the worst crawl space. I'm glad I'm getting this on video. It's probably the worst one. Worst crawl space I probably had. Like I said, make sure there's no bugs on here. Look in there. I try to make sure I look at where I'm going for. I'm going for the filter right now. Now I don't really see it. Keep knocking down some stuff. I see spiders that's crawling everywhere. Oh, buddy, it's about to be. It's probably the worst one I've seen. I can't even find where the filter's at. Let's go in there. Let's grab my flashlight. Get in there. I really don't think I need the stick no more. I think is that the old? I don't know what that is. Just go in there. Oh wow. She got a vacuum pump. Filter all the way down there. Let's go. Hopefully there ain't nothing down here. Wow. Just knock some spider webs down. I think that's the filter down there. I hope it's the filter. If it's not, I'm gonna be real mad. Look around. See if there's any leaks anywhere. Look at this spider web. What? This is spider web. That's probably the worst part. Is when you get hit with a spider web. Shush. Filter. I don't even see her filter. I thought her filter was down here. Knock some of these out. Oh, the filter is right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna change her filter. We're gonna come back with the new filter. Hopefully I ain't dead. Alright, just finished up down here. Everything checked out pretty good. Like I said, usually when I get in a crawl space, the only problem is when you getting down here. That's the only challenging part, because once you get down here, I mean, you can just chill. I mean, her vacuum pump pretty old, but I checked it and it was pumping, so that's good. But yeah, once you get down here, it ain't that really bad. I mean, once you clear all your pathways out, there ain't gonna be nothing in your way. So that's a big roach over there. I gotta hurry up and get the crap out of here. So yeah, we're gonna just head on out. Even pretty good, running pretty good, and yeah, see if I can get out without getting attacked by anything. Always looking at the ground. Oh, sure ain't nothing on the spider wise. And 1, 2, 3. Whew, here we go. One cross space down. Alright, so we got cross space. Again, let's see how this goes. It looks pretty good. Has the lock on it. It says lock is taken off. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be enough room in there. Doesn't look small, doesn't look big. But who knows? It says a new house. Usually newer houses, cross space should be better. Oh wow. Look at this. So yeah. Ain't that bad. Oh, it's a light switch. Even better. Let's see if the light switch works. Spider webs everywhere. Ooh, look at that. Yes, sirski. So you're in the back there. It's a maintenance call, so we're gonna just check out the furnace. I'm gonna put this. Where should I put the lock so I don't forget it? I'm gonna forget this lock. I know I am. I'm gonna just sit it right there. I'm gonna so forget that lock out. I know I'm gonna forget it. All right. So there's a Goodman. Let's go ahead down there. I don't have my flashlight. You think I should get my flashlight? Nah, we don't go with no flashlight. It's already a light bulb down there. So he said he hasn't changed his filters because he got asthma and doesn't like coming down here. So at least I know people do be down here. Oh, spider webs. I don't got my stick with me. They caught me lacking with no stick. Everybody know I need to pull up with the stick. Alright, so seems everything's good down here. I mean, you got room. Looks nice. Padding. Seems like nothing's gonna come out and attack me. But just in case, you know, I'm ready to be ready. Well, furnace is on. Power record. Yeah, so everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and catch up with you guys when I head out. Alright, just finished on up. Everything looked good down here. Nothing's leaking. We did have a little spill right here that kind of was concerning me. See a little water right here. Leaking from the drain. I suctioned that out, so he should be good. It was kind of cloggish, but I suctioned that out, so he shouldn't have that problem no more. Like I said, everything looks good. Let's look at the ductwork. That looks pretty good. I mean, it's a new house. I don't know how old the system is. I gotta go check outside. But yeah, not that bad. Not that bad. Let's see where that goes. All the way over there. But yeah, nice crawl space. Let's head out. I'm stepping on bottles. I don't know what happened out here. But head out. Hopefully nothing hits me. All right. Easy crawl space, easy peasy. I'm out of here. Alright. Crawl space. I think this is it. They gave me a key. I hope this is it. Oh yeah. It's not that bad. It looks pretty good. It's a normal down basement. These are crawl space you dream about. No problem with this one. Looks like it's not recently installed. Got a light switch. Search D. So yeah, not that bad. Let's get to work. Alright, so that's finished up checking this. Like I said, pretty easy crawl space. You barely get one of these. These are the ones you like. Usually your crawl spaces where like maybe this small. You got a crawl through all there and got like the unit back there. But thankfully, it's just a walk-in. It's an easy walk-in for light. Check it. Don't gotta take an hour. Just walk out. everything checked out good. We're gonna turn it on out. Oh, turn the light off. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to stay up to date with daily content. Peace.